Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We had a problem with our 2004 Toyota Sienna limited all-wheel drive. We're having a big problem with our Toyota Sienna, so I have the keys right there. I know there's no Toyota logo on it, just the word Ilco. This one has 102,126 miles. Let's see how it starts. I don't know why it's making a horrible sound, but it is. Let me turn it off. This key has no Toyota logo. I know there's a steering wheel cover. My dad likes it on there. So that's why we had a big problem with our Toyota Sienna. But the engine didn't die, but it kept making a screeching noise. I don't know why. Well, perhaps it was. Well, anyway, I don't know why that it's making a screeching noise. I know it just says the word Sienna, but it is a limited. It's an XLE limited all-wheel drive. Well, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.